mga bahay na nasira at iniwan dahil sa patuloy na bakbakan at mahigit 20 taong banta ng terorismo sa Sulu. At ngayong nananalo na ang ating mga sundalo na ipalaganap ang kapayapaan at seguridad sa Sulu, ay unti-unti nang nagbubukas ang Sulu sa turismo. At dito sa aking YouTube channel ay unang-una niyong makikita ang mga magagandang white sand beaches ng Sulu. At makikilala rin natin ang foreigner, ang Philam, na walang takot na binisita ang magagandang isla ng Sulu. Sir, totoo po ba na zero crime rate daw po dito sa Banguingui?
Actually, kasi yung Banguingui, municipality at Banguingui, wala naman crime dito. Walang nang papabalita na may mga busayap na pumunta dito, pumasok. Actually, may bisita tayo galing sa Las Vegas. Yan.
What can you say about Banguingui?
It's a beautiful town, a lot of nice beaches, white sand, and the town's so peaceful. Very accommodating people here.
So you're not afraid of traveling here in
Not
Sulu?
anymore. I'm coming back.
So you're coming back?
Yeah.
So would you recommend to your fellow tourists or fellow Americans to visit Banguingui?
Yeah, I want to say hi to my people in Las Vegas, right near. I want to come and visit me here in Banguingui, man. Nice beaches over here, nice people. Everybody's saying it's a dangerous town, but it's not. It's peaceful, and we got our barangay captain here that doing his job to make everybody happy. And it's just a town, just a place where to visit. I'm not expecting the people here can be so nice to me, you know, like they're so hospitable, like in every way. And Kuya Maad Al-Sharif is very nice to us, and it makes me want to come back to the place again. And I didn't even visit all the beaches in this town yet, but there's a lot of nice white sand beaches for all the tourists around the world, in Las Vegas, California. If you see me, you know who I am.
Sir, how about, do you have any stigma of fear when you first came here in Sulu?
And I thought at first it's more like dangerous place, but when I'm here now, I will come back again because everybody's friendly here. Everybody's like a family in this town, and very hospitable, you know. And it's a small island. It's beautiful, full of coconut trees. You can look around, and a lot of nice beaches, a lot of fishes, a lot of fish around. And I don't think so they're gonna have a problem here eating every day, because all you have to do is just jump to your boat and start fishing and get your food.
Would you recommend to tourists from all over the world in Las Vegas or anywhere else to visit Banguingui, Sulu? Because if you hear Sulu, there's a stigma of fear in them.
Yeah, I recommend them to come here, not to have fear, because I'm an American, and I thought they will accept me here differently, you know. But they actually it's totally reverse. It's totally reversed. They're happy to see me. You know, they try to speak English, even it's not fluent, but they try their best to communicate with me. But the thing is, I know how to speak Tagalog fluently, so it's fun. It's fun, and I recommend people not to be scared. Just try to come here, and so you'll see it yourself. It's peaceful here.
Oo, tumig dito sa lampas ka dito sa biyantana.
Grabe kami punta me! Picture kasi?
Sure, tapi. Ako si Sherbian Calanyo mula dito sa isla ng Banguingui, Sulu. Ito ang Sa Mata ng Vlogmentarista.